Accessories include wall-mounted white noise machine, Type-C power cable, charger, instruction manual. There are two ways to power the wall-mounted white noise machine. One is by plugging it directly into the socket, the other is by using the included Type-C cable that comes with the package. After being powered on, the red indicator light turns on. Press the power button to turn the white noise machine on or off. When the white noise machine is working, the green light illuminates. Press the volume up or volume down button to adjust the volume. Press the previous or next track button to switch between white noise and natural sounds. Press the power button to turn the white noise machine on or off. Press the light button to cycle through the white noise machine's lighting effects. Press the timer button to activate the countdown function. Press the timer button to cycle through the countdown durations, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or continuous mode. When a specific countdown duration is selected, its corresponding status indicator light will illuminate. Press and hold the timer button to turn off the countdown function. To turn off any function, long press its corresponding button, brightness, timer, white noise, sound. Press the power button to turn off all functions.